Hey everybody, welcome back to Financial Phoenix. Today I was all set to share with you some killer couponing deals happening at Walmart this week, but then I went to Walmart and guys, I gotta be honest, the clearance this week is insane. Just some really good prices on some really cool, neat stuff. So I wanted to share that with you as well. But before we get started, make sure you've downloaded the Fetch, Shopkick, and Ibotta apps to maximize your savings. There are codes for doing so in the description box down below this video. Also, remember that we're constantly posting new deals and clearance updates on Instagram as well as on TikTok, so be sure to follow us there at financial_Phoenix. We'll go over the couponing deals first, but stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss the clearance and hidden clearance that we're going to talk about. And without further ado, let's get into these deals. Okay, we're going to start out this week with an easy freebie. Pick up one of the popsicle fruit twisters from Walmart. These are $4.47 a piece. We have a $1.50 internet printable from coupons.com. You can also follow the link in our description box for coupons.com, and that will take you there where you can print coupons for free and help support this channel at the same time. And also, so you'll purchase that for $4.47. You'll use your $1.50 off coupon on that. Already a good deal there. And then when you have purchased your item, you'll submit your receipt to the Fetch app and you will earn all of the points back. So essentially $4.47 in points. So that's going to make that a $1.50 moneymaker. Not just free, but actually earning $1.50 on buying those popsicles. So summer has basically begun. You definitely need to stock up. Also pick up 2 of the Big G cereals. These are the General Mills. You're going to want to grab the Pokemon and the multigrain Cheerios with strawberries. So both of those will run you $7.28. You have a $1 digital coupon on the coupons.com app. And you also have $2 Ibotta rebates on both the Pokemon and the multigrain cereal. And you also have a $1 Fetch rebate on both as well. So that's $2 on Fetch, $4 on Ibotta, and $1 from coupons.com. So that works out to be 28 cents for both boxes. So fantastic deal there. Thank you to Midnight Saver on Instagram. She's the one who posted that first. So that is really good. Next, you can pick up the Downy Wrinkle Guard sheets. Dryer sheets. These are a 60 count for $4.97. We have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate plus a $1 paper coupon from the P&G newspaper insert, making those just $2.47. Now, I typically get dryer sheets cheaper than that at Dollar General when we do our 5 off of 25 deals, but if you don't typically shop at Dollar General, this is a pretty good price for Downy Wrinkle Guard sheets. Also, you could pick up one of the Larabar cereals this week for $6.48. I've actually never tried these, but they've got some interesting sounding flavors here, like the cashew cookie. Anyway, so $6.48, and we have a $3.50 Ibotta rebate back on that, and a $1.30 Fetch rebate, making this just $1.68. Now, I don't love paying $1.68 for cereal, but when it's originally almost $7 a box, that's pretty good. So if you're looking for some healthier cereal, you might want to check that out. Same thing with the Wonderworks Keto cereal. This is $6.98, so again, almost $7 a box. And we have a $1.40 Fetch rebate as well as that $3.50 rebate from Ibotta. So that's going to bring it down to just $2.08 per box. So again, not, under $1 or anything, but when you consider what they are, originally, that's a pretty good price. Probably my favorite deal of this week is going to be the Glad Clorox trash bags. These are $4.98 for a 20 count of the bags. And we just get, deals on trash bags so rarely that I just love this deal. You're going to get $3.20 back in the form of a rebate from Shopkick. But we've also got a $1 internet printable from coupons.com. Again, you can print that through our link and help support the work that goes into this channel. And so then you're looking at $4.20 basically, essentially, that you're getting back on this product. So that works out to be 78 cents for a box of trash bags, which is a great price. If we had more of those Shopkick rebates, I would do that deal a bunch of times. Next, you can pick up one of the bags of the Sargento creamery shredded cheese. These are $2.70, and we have $1 internet printable from coupons.com plus $1 Ibotta rebate back. So that's just going to work out to be 70 cents since it's $2.70 for the bag and you're taking $2 off. So 70 cents for some shredded cheese. Very good price on that. If you're able to find this at your store, I was not, and I was really looking forward to it, unfortunately. You could also get a really good deal on soil this week, potting soil, or I'm not sure if this is to be used outdoors or indoors, but it's Back to the Roots organic soil for $11.97 for a bag. You have a $10 rebate on Ibotta, plus a $4.75 fetch rebate, making this a $2.78 moneymaker. So you can make some money actually picking up that soil if you're able to find it. Also, you can pick up one Colgate Cavity Protection 3-pack of toothpaste. These are $3.96 at Walmart, and we have a $3 Ibotta rebate, making them just 96 cents. Same thing if you're able to find any of the Colgate Max Clean Smart Foam 3-packs of toothpaste. Those are $5.96, and we have a $5 rebate back, making those 96 cents as well. We also can grab, if you have any kitties, you could grab 4 of the Blue Buffalo Tastefuls. These are the little cans of wet food for 88 cents a piece, so $3.52 for all 4. And we have a $1 off when you buy 4 rebate from Ibotta, plus a $1 off of 2 internet printable from coupons.com. You could print that twice, or you could do one paper version and you could do one version through their app. Doesn't matter, but you'll work out to pay 52 cents for 4 cans of the wet food. You can also pick up one of the Garnier Fructis 3-in-1 masks for your hair. I love this stuff. These are $5.77. We have a $2 Ibotta rebate, plus a $2 internet printable from coupons.com, making it just $1.77 for the 3-in-1 mask. Last but not least, you can pick up one of the Airwick essential oils with the extra plug version. These are $2.97, and we have a $1.50. I think it's a printable from coupons.com. Use that, and you'll also have a 75-cent rebate. That'll work out to be just 72 cents. Okay, let's get into some of these clearance deals I promised you at the beginning. There were some really good ones this week in the Walmart aisle that you'll just need to check yours and see if they have something similar. So if your children are into JoJo Siwa, is that how you say it? I don't even know. I'm sorry. Hopefully that's how you say it. JoJo stuff anyway, is a lot of it is on sale in the clearance section. These bath mats, foam bath rugs, were $14.88 originally, marked down to just $4. So if you're doing up a bathroom in JoJo stuff, this is the time. Same thing with my clearance aisle also had a bunch of cute home frames and blessed house and picture frames about mom and things like that. This decor item in particular was $16.98, marked down to just $7. If you don't want to do the JoJo thing, but you're still looking for Spider-Man, they also had these foam bath rugs for Spider-Man marked down to $7 from the $14.88, so that's a possibility too. And if you're getting ready to do spring organizing, they have some of these shrink bags and large type Ziploc sort of baggies. You may want to check the bedding aisle in your Walmart. There were a lot of blankets and comforters, sheet sets, things like that on clearance marked down there, even cheaper than I saw it on the tags. So everything from Frozen to JoJo Siwa to Minecraft, Pokemon. So you're just going to want to check your aisle if that's something that you're looking for, because a lot of it in there was already marked down. Check out these Ziploc sandwich bags that are tagged here as $6.48. You'll be looking for the ones with the Elsa Frozen character on them. These actually are ringing up at $1.89 on sale for 50 sandwich bags. So I grabbed several boxes because this is hidden clearance. Was super stoked to find these food storage sets. These are the super cute little containers you could take to work with you or just keep in the fridge. And these were originally $16 for the set, and they have been marked down to $4 for a 20-piece Pioneer Woman set. So really, really nice savings there. These deluxe wood burning kits were actually kind of neat. They have instructional videos and some ideas of what you could do with them. It seems a little too complicated for me, but it might make a fun gift maybe for Father's Day or something, or if you have a birthday coming up. These were originally $25 for an 18-piece set, and they've been marked down to just $5. If you know anyone going to college this fall or going back to school or something, they had these jumbo canvas hampers on sale for just $5, which I think is a pretty good price, especially if you're a college student. Thanks for checking out these Walmart couponing deals and clearance as well. Let me know in the comments which thing you're most excited about, if it's one of those clearance deals or one of those couponing deals. If you want to see more great deals happening this week, check out our Dollar General video as well, and be sure to hit the subscribe button below this video so you can stay up to date on the latest couponing deals and more. Bye guys!